Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial and I'm just going to go ahead and hop right into it. Okay, so I did do my brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow and I'm doing them with a brush from Morphe. I'm not sure what number brush it is, but I love it. Like I love all Morphe brushes and that's what I basically use for my face. Like it's mostly Morphe brushes. So I am going to go ahead and fill my brow in. And right now my brows are a little thick for my taste, but I do have to go get them done. So I just went ahead and outlined it how they looked. And to clean up my brows, I'm going to go ahead and use the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the color Fawn. Yeah, my brother's saying hi. And I'm sorry I am talking a lot. My family wanted to sit around me while I do my makeup. So you'll see a lot of people walking back and forth, especially my mom with my daughter. My daughter's named Camille. She's an itty bitty baby. And I did go ahead and put the LA Pro Girl Concealer on my eyelid as well to make my eyeshadows brighter than they may have appeared without the concealer. And I did let that dry just for a little bit before adding setting powder. And I believe my setting powder is, I think it's Ben something, Ben Nye maybe. I'm not quite sure. But I know that I got it from Amazon. And I believe it was like $6. It's really not that expensive. Yeah, most of my makeup comes from Amazon except for like my palettes. Those I get mostly they're from Morphe or where else do I get my palettes? Yeah, most of them are from Morphe. So I did go ahead and set my eyes with the setting powder. And the palette I'm going to be using today is the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I wasn't going for a certain look today. I just went ahead and did some colors that came to mind basically. So the first color I'm going to go in with is a dark brown color. And I did use a fluffy brush, a fluffy Morphe brush to apply that right above my crease. And then for my crease, I went ahead and did a black color from the same palette. And I did go back in with that brown color just because it disappeared a little bit. And it's perfectly fine to do that just to make sure like your colors are just basically blended well. And I was looking for I can't it's a white base that I wanted to use instead of using my concealer, but I couldn't find it. I didn't want to like get up to find it, so I just went ahead and used my LA Pro Girl concealer. And the color that I put on the outside of that is a glittery gold from the same palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette. It was really pigmented and I really liked it. So I did let that dry a little bit before I added that glittery gold. And once I applied that, I used a liquid glitter that I got from Amazon. It came in like a pack of three, maybe, like a purple, silver, and gold. And it was about, I can't remember, but I know it was no more than $10. And I like it. It takes a little, it itches a little bit while it's drying, but like once it's dry, like it's really pretty. So I applied that, and then after that, I'm gonna apply my eyeliner. I probably should learn to start using or apply my eyeliner before adding something like glitter, but you know, there's always a next time. And once I apply my eyeliner, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up my face from like the falling eyeshadow that fell, like below my eyeliner or on my cheeks. So I did go ahead and wipe that off with one of my makeup wipes. And I do apply my mascara to my top and bottom lash just to make it pop a little because I am going to be applying lashes at the end of the look. And here I'm just looking for my makeup wipes because they're never where I want them to be. Oh, and guys, I just wanted to say I am going to be doing a hair review on some hair that I bought. I believe it was like 2 months ago or like a month and a half ago. I made it into a wig, and it is like the best hair ever, and it was really cheap. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like a hair review on that next time. So be on the lookout for that video. So please like and subscribe to my channel. And I did go ahead and prime my face with, I can't remember the name of the primer, but I know I got it either from Morphe or Amazon. I'm pretty sure it was Amazon though. Yes, it was Amazon, and I think it was like $3 to $6. And I didn't color correct my skin this time just for the simple fact that I was trying out some new foundation just to see like how it would look without me color correcting my skin. And I think it turned out pretty good. It was wet looking at first, so I did put like a little powder of the same color on it. And for my highlighting, I did use the same LA Pro Girl concealer in Fawn. And I did wet my sponge because I think the like concealer itself spreads way better like when the sponge is wet. And I'm going to go ahead and go in with that same setting powder to bake my face. And while that's baking, I'm going to go ahead and use my concealer stick. And I think I'm pretty sure it's a Black Radiance stick. And I do not bake long, like at all, just for some fact that I have before and it's like turned out so chalky looking, and I did not like that. So I just let it sit on my face literally for a couple of seconds and then go ahead and wipe it off. And now I am contouring my face, and since I do have on a scarf, usually I will put some of the contour on like the top of my head as well, but since I'm wearing a scarf today, I didn't do it. And to highlight, I'm going to be using the Morphe Naturally Exposed stick. And guys, when I say like this is like some really bomb, like guys, like it's a really bomb. Like it is so pretty and shiny. Like, and I do use my finger just to spread it around. And for lashes, I was trying to decide which ones I wanted to use, and I believe I went ahead and used the Temptation lashes from Morphe. And I am going to use that duo lash glue, and I believe it's on their website or maybe Amazon's website. And I do blow on it to let it get tacky before applying, because I feel like it's way better to put on, or it stays better rather than just like applying it on wet. You don't want like to get wet glue on your bottom lash or something. And guys, to be honest, I'm basically done. I did go ahead and apply like my lip liner and lip gloss off camera. So yeah guys, that's the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. So please go ahead and like and subscribe, and see you next time.